Hello kids and parents. Today we will learn colors with cute animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Red. This is a red dog. Red is the color of apples and strawberries. Can you find something red around you? Green. This is a green frog. Green is the color of grass and leaves. Can you show something green? Yellow. This is a yellow duck. Yellow is the color of the sun and bananas. Clap if you see something yellow. Blue. This is a blue cat. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Wave if you see something blue. Orange. This is an orange tiger. Orange is the color of pumpkins and oranges. Can you say orange with me? Time to practice. Point to something red. Clap for yellow. Wave for blue. Something green. Say orange. Great job, everyone! Fantastic work today, kids and parents! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Learn shapes with toys. Bye-bye!